Welcome to our channel. In this exciting video, we are thrilled to unveil the Pixel 8 Pro Official, the latest and boldest creation by Google. Prepare to be captivated as we explore the exceptional features and capabilities of this cutting-edge device. The Pixel 8 Pro Official showcases Google's unwavering commitment to innovation and superior technology. With its refined design and high-quality materials, this flagship smartphone sets new standards in the industry. Discover a device that seamlessly combines elegance and durability, designed to elevate your mobile experience. Boasting a groundbreaking camera system, the Pixel 8 Pro Official brings your photos and videos to life like never before. From breathtaking landscapes to detailed portraits, each shot is infused with remarkable clarity and vibrant colors. Capture unforgettable moments and unleash your creativity with the unrivaled photographic capabilities of this smartphone. Powered by state-of-the-art hardware and optimized software, the Pixel 8 Pro Official delivers unparalleled performance. Say goodbye to lag and hello to blazing fast speeds. Whether you are multitasking, gaming, or streaming content, this device ensures a smooth and fluid user experience, keeping up with your every need. Embrace the future of connectivity with the Pixel 8 Pro Official. Equipped with advanced 5G capabilities, you can now enjoy lightning-fast internet speeds, making downloads and streaming quicker and more seamless. Stay connected with the world like never before, allowing you to effortlessly accomplish tasks and stay entertained on the go. Recognizing the importance of privacy and security, Google has implemented robust measures into the Pixel 8 Pro Official. Safeguard your personal information and enjoy peace of mind with advanced features such as face unlock and fingerprint recognition. Your data is protected, putting you in control of your digital life. Discover a world of possibilities with the Pixel 8 Pro Official. Unleash the full potential of Google's extensive ecosystem, which offers a myriad of apps and services designed to simplify and enhance your daily routine. From productivity tools to entertainment options, this smartphone seamlessly integrates into your life, making everyday tasks a breeze. Immerse yourself in a stunning visual experience with the Pixel 8 Pro Official's vibrant and immersive display. Whether you are browsing the web, watching videos, or playing games, indulge in breathtaking visuals that transport you into a world of vivid colors and crisp details. Find us at